Hi there. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I wanted to come back with a different sort of video. I've been doing a little straightening out. That's what's been taking me so long to do a video. I've got a lot of stuff in. And I just want to do a little tour of, I haven't completely finished, but I just want to do a little tour of what I've done so far. All right, let's go. Okay, here is a little tour of my shelves. I've been straightening up and I've been trying to move around some. And here's a tour of my commentaries that I have. And if there's anything that anyone wants me to do more in-depth on, just let me know. There's my commentaries, some of them. And on the next shelf, I have my Concordances and some of my Bibles. And some of these are new Bibles that I just got in, like that illuminated Bible. That's a new Bible. The one right beside it is a new Bible. And I also have the illustrated children's Bible. And the one right beside it, I can't pronounce that. Egerman something. That's a new Bible. The first Dake is a new Bible. It's the New King James Version. The other two are older Bibles. And down on this shelf, I have my Sword Bibles in the King James and the KJV Easy Reader versions. And that the New Life Version Bible right here, that's a new Bible. The Passion Translation, that's a new, those two are new translations. Well, they're new to me. I don't know if they're new to other people. Then I got a Living Bible. I wanted the large print one. That's a Life Application Bible. And you can see it's older in the Living Bible translation. And you know they don't make that one anymore. Then beside it, I have all my NLTs. And my chronological Bibles and my amplified Bibles. The Battlefield of the Mind is new. And as we go down, I have some of my journaling. Let's see if I can draw you back a little. Oh, I'm sorry to shake you up, but I'm trying to maneuver around my chair. This is some of my journaling items, my markers, my gessos, and these are my journaling Bibles and my journaling books right here. And on the bottom shelf, I have some more books and stuff. As you can see, that's just some kind of overflow of stuff that I have. So I hate to have to do it this way, but I still do have some more Bibles, but I carry them in my bookcase with me. And when I go to church, and those are the ones I use regularly on Sundays. And so I just wanted to do I really want to do a collection of my Bibles, but I've got them all with my concordances and my commentaries, as you can see. And so, like I said, if there's any of these that you want me to do more in-depth on, I think other people have done most of these. I haven't seen any of my regular people do the Dakes New King James Version, but it's really just like the regular Dakes. The one in the middle is the large print one, and the one on the end is the personal size one. And I've got, I think I've got one more Bible coming in. But I just wanted to kind of show you those Bibles and show you my new setup I'm going to do a separate video for my nail stuff. All right, guys. But wait a minute. Before I go, I do want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate you because you really don't have to subscribe to my channel. And I do want you to know that I do appreciate you. And I thank you so, so very much. Whether you're a new subscriber for the Bible videos or the nail videos. Either way, I thank you for being a subscriber to my channel. All right, guys. Bye-bye.